Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Drawing and the course code is Fine 3119. Today our topic is about contour drawing. Dear students, this is a practical topic. First of all, I would like to explain about this topic. Contour drawing is an artistic technique used in the field of art in which the artist sketches the style of a subject by drawing lines that result in a drawing that is essentially an outline. The French word contour meaning outline. The purpose of contour drawing is to emphasize the mass and volume of the subject rather than the detail. The focus is on the outlined shape of the subject and not the minor details. This technique is manifested in different styles and practiced in drawing development and learning. Contour lines that surround and define the edges of a subject, giving it shape and volume. This should not be confused with a form outline. Cross contour drawing. Essentially, cross contour drawing is a technique that takes the line that you are creating across the contours of the form, crossing over both horizontally and vertically. An object is viewed from a particular angle and represented in a linear fashion so that it appears three-dimensional on paper. Blind contour line drawings. In a blind contour drawing, the artist draws the edges or contours of an object without looking at his/her paper. Blind contour line drawings train the artist to be aware to an object contours, depth and textures. Practicing contour line drawing is the best way to teach your eye to draw what it sees and learn to draw more accurately. Contour drawings also help the artist develop sensitivity to line and its many applications. There are some blind contour drawing rules. Study and feel the object's contours. Look at your object, not at your paper. Take your time and move slowly. Don't lift your pencil off the page. Cross over lines. Retrace your steps, but don't remove the pencil. Keep practicing. The more you try, the more your drawing skills will improve. Move to more challenging objects as your skill grows. Example of contour line drawing. You can see cross contour line drawing. Another example of contour line drawing. Blind contour line drawing example. Example of contour line drawing. Another example. You can see the lines, rendering of line. Another example of contour line drawing. Another one. Beautiful example. Another example. Another. Thanks.